Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a PayPal donation button to your YouTube channel in 2020 and beyond. So all you need to do for that is sign into your PayPal account. You want to click on the settings icon and you want to create a paypal.me link. Now you can do that by clicking right there, get paypal.me. So click right there. Next up, you can click on create paypal.me link. You can add a photo if you want to, but right there you can create your link. So I just recommend adding the name of your YouTube channel. I'm just going to do this at random right now. Then click on next, click on I agree, click on agree and create, and you're then going to create your own PayPal donation button. So I'm going to click on done, and I'm going to now copy that link. Next up, you want to go to your YouTube channel, click on customize channel, and you want to add this as a link to your banner. Okay, so right there, this is just a random account that I don't use, that's just random stuff. You want to click on edit channel art right there. No, my bad, not on edit channel art. You want to click on about right here, and right there you want to click on links and then click on add, and then you want to add PayPal. Oops, let me do that again. PayPal donation, or just call it PayPal or whatever. Right there, you then paste in that URL, click on done, and there you go. You now have a PayPal donation button on your channel right there. Okay, so once you've added your link, you'll see it right here. And if you then go to your channel art, right there, you'll then see PayPal donation. If people then click on that, it will send them over to PayPal where they can actually donate some money. And that's how you can add a PayPal donation button to YouTube. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions about this, feel free to let me know in the comments, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.